In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and update your Pipedrive CRM password in just 5 minutes. Whether it's been a while since you last updated your password or you simply want to enhance your account security, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, we'll need to navigate over to the Pipedrive website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL www.pipedrive.com. This will take you to the homepage of Sales CRM and Pipeline Management software, which is your starting point for accessing the login screen. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to click on the Login button. You'll usually find this option conveniently positioned at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking Login will direct you to the user authentication page where you can input your login details. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Pipedrive home screen. From here, our next step is to locate the Profile option. You'll typically find it under your account icon, which could be your initials or a profile picture, situated in the upper right-hand side of the screen. Click on Profile, and this will bring up a drop-down menu for you with more options related to your account. Within that drop-down menu, you'll see Personal Preferences. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can adjust various settings to tailor your experience on Pipedrive. Among these options, you'll see Password and Login settings. This is where the magic happens concerning any changes to your password. Now, click on Password and Login. In this section, you'll find an option labeled Reset Password. By clicking on Reset Password, you're initiating the process to create a new password for your account. It's a straightforward procedure, but remember to choose a password that's both strong and memorable. It's a good practice to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. This not only enhances your security, but makes it more challenging for unauthorized access to occur. After implementing your new password, Pipedrive will typically prompt you for confirmation, ensuring that you've entered the password correctly and as intended. It's always a good idea to double-check before proceeding, to avoid any unnecessary frustration later on. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully updated your Pipedrive CRM password. By frequently updating your password, you're taking an essential step in safeguarding your business data and maintaining robust account security. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to come back to this video as often as you need. Thanks for watching and stay secure.